I wanted to talk to you a little bit and get some intel. A lot of our clients and people out in the DMV are facing uncertain job prospects. It's been a really stressful time. A lot of people are trying to figure out if they lose their job, what does that look like financially, specifically with regards to their mortgage and making mortgage payments, because we know mortgage payments in this area are not cheap. I wanted to ask you about some options for people if they do lose their job and they're not able to find one really quickly. How does it work, or what are the options or an option for contacting the lender, like getting some sort of adjustment or delay on their mortgage? What is that? Is that a possibility?
Typically, your best thing, if you have kind of a big life change where you may not feel like you can afford the mortgage, something's changed financially, you want to contact the servicer right away. By contacting the servicer and kind of making them aware of the possible situation where you're not sure if you'll be able to make payments, they're going to ask you some questions to find out more financially. So the more a customer knows up front when they're calling as far as how much money are they bringing in, what are their bills that they have, that's going to basically allow the servicer to evaluate the situation, kind of give them some options. Every situation's a little different. Ultimately, the servicer is, they're just servicing the loan. So you have an investor behind them that's holding the mortgage. So ultimately, the servicer has to take all that information to the investor to say, here's the situation, what are our options, basically. So you want to do that as soon as possible, because the process itself can take anywhere from a couple weeks to maybe a month and a half, just depending on how much documentation there is.